Google View 3 is amazing AI video generation models in the market, which can generate videos with stunning voiceover and sound effects and real-time action. But if you're tired of your research on how to use View 3 for free and unlimited, you may have faced many creators saying different methods, like telling different methods, different techniques, maybe you have face creator where they tell about the student accounts or different website like Google Cloud Skill and try to say that start a lab you can access Google View 3, but at the end of the day all got vanished and all methods got banned by Google. In this video, after a lot of research, I have found a trick where you can create videos with View 3 free and about unlimited. All you need to do is just subscribe to my channel and follow up for more videos. I'll be bringing such amazing tricks and videos in the future as well if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'll be revealing the trick or the method where you can access View 3. First thing you need to do is just open your Discord app, maybe you're on mobile or desktop or PC, and you just need to navigate to this Discord community or server. I'll just give the link in the description and you can join from there as well. The first thing you need to do is carefully read their rules and regulations, and after that you need to verify yourself. I already joined this Discord server, read the rules and verified myself. After that you just need to go to this VEO, and here you can see different creators. Many creators have created already different videos, as you can see. Like, I just play this video and there we go.
Her finnes ingen støy, bare vinden.
As you can see how much amazing is this server or Discord community lets you create videos with View 3 for completely free. Now the one problem here is you may have seen the watermark also, but don't worry about this. This is for this is their policy. The creator who created this video can only download this video without watermark. You created the video with the prompt and you can download the video with watermark. I'll show the trick also. Like, you can't just download the other creator videos easily, they will have watermark. Okay, like here you can see I'm just showing the videos like how amazing is this, and then I'll show the trick on how to create the videos with this also. As you can see, now there are a lot of videos, different creators have created different videos. Now how to create your own video as well, I'll show here. So first, like here you can see they have just bring an update, and here it say we are under maintenance, please check or update. Now tomorrow it was a huge traffic on their server, like they just got maybe an issue, so why they let me read the update as well. Here it says quick update about the generator bot. We were not fully prepared for the amount of traffic we received today. Like, this was the message of tomorrow. Okay, this is a fresh server and there was no way to properly stress test things ahead of time. That said, we have now identified what works and what doesn't, and we are pushing a major update to make everything smoother and more stable. Now they are just making the things smoother, and they will just release the more start the Discord server again in a little bit of time. I've created the video maybe in the wrong time, but I want you to know about this as soon as possible. Okay, like here it says this update may take a little while, but don't worry, generation or not going away. They are just being improved, like they are just improving the server cause tomorrow they faced a huge amount of traffic. That's why they just like stop creating or generation for a little bit of time. Now how to generate actually? Okay, let me just show you the method, and you can then create the or well, create the video by yourself. Okay, now here I will just come to the chat section, but for the video generation you have to go to this video generation. Okay, so I'll just like let me show you the way with which you can generate the video. So first you have to type this slash video, and then you have to give your prompt just like that, but in this video generation section, not in this chat. Okay, the chat is disabled in this video generation, or that's why I can't show it here. I show it in the chat section. Like just you have to type slash video, and then you have to put your prompt, and just send the prompt. Your video will be ready in a while. So that's how you can use this Discord server to generate videos with VEO 3. Maybe the video generation may take a little bit of time, and then that's acceptable because many people may be creating video at the moment. And if you want to create video or download your video, you have to just click on no watermark download, but for your video only. The download is available for the videos you created, not the other creator video. As you create on this, you will be redirected to the review section or the review windows, and you have to just put your review here, and there we go, you can download the video as well. I've just downloaded a video tomorrow, created a video tomorrow. Maybe the video is here like this. I've created the video tomorrow when the Discord server or the video generation model was available, and this is how I create this. Maybe it's like a VFX. You can just navigate to ChatGPT and tell it to give you a VFX prompt. It can give you a VFX prompt, and you can just paste the prompt here in the model and generate the video. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this server will bring as soon as possible, but you have to join this community. The server will the video generation model will be available as soon as possible. If you want to support me, you can subscribe my channel, and I will be bringing such more amazing tricks as well. Okay.